Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the positive value of determinant of A of the matrix A. Okay, so we need to find out determinant of A and it should be positive, okay, not negative. Whose adjoint of adjoint A is given this? Great. So, first I'll copy paste the question. So, adjoint A equals, this is matrix, so it is 14, 28, 14, minus 14, 14, 28, 28, minus 14, 14. Now what I will do, I will take determinant both side. Okay, so on the left hand side we will be left with adjoint A equals determinant of this matrix. So look at this, how I will be writing. So it is 14, 28, minus 14, minus 14, 14, 28, 28, 14, 14. Now, can I take 14 common from this row, and this row? Because I am handling determinant, so I have to take common from every row. So it is 14 power 3. Okay, and then we will be left with 1 minus 1, 2, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 1. Okay, now you know that we have a property which look like this: adjoint dot 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 adjoint A determinant is determinant of A power n minus 1 power k if it is k times. Okay, means if adjoint is written k times, you have to put power as k. Now here it is 2 times, so can I write determinant of A to the power n minus 1? N is what? The order of the matrix. It is 3 cross 3, also 3 cross 3, so n is 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, and there are 2 adjoints, so 2 power 2, it will become 4. Comfortable? So it is 14 to the power 3. Now I'll open the bracket. So it is 1 plus 2, minus 2. So it is minus 1, minus 4, then minus 1, 1 minus 2. Let's simplify things. So it is 14 power 3, 3 plus 10, and then plus 1. So it is 14. So it is 14 power 4. Here it is determinant of A power 4. So can I say that determinant of A will become 14? Okay, and we are interested in positive, so determinant of A will become positive. If it is negative, you know that it will open with positive, negative 14, but we are interested in finding positive value of determinant, so the required value becomes 14. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.